Hello all, welcome to NetBook. Welcome back to Mulesoft tutorials. Today I'm planning to show how we can sign up for Anyppoint platform cloud version. So in a previous session, I have explained about how we can install Anyppoint Studio, JDK, and Postman in our system. So that is for local development purpose we can set up. So that is what I have shown. Now today I'm going to show the Anyppoint platform. It is a cloud-based platform provided by the Mulesoft. It is a 30 days of free trial. We will get it for 30 days. So I'm going to show here how we can exactly sign up and what are the different components available in a Anyppoint platform. That is what I'm going to explain. So let's go to Mulesoft web page. We need to go to the Mulesoft web page to first of all to navigate it to Anyppoint platform. So let me type it as mulesoft.com here. Yeah, so here from select the products, under that we can see sign up for Anyppoint platform. Now it will navigate it to Anyppoint platform. Here is the sign up page. So we need to provide all these details over here. So I'm going to enter some random details over here for my 30 days of free trial account. We can enter the details, whatever we require to give here. So the first thing is the full name we need to give. I'm going to give as a NetBook. Email ID, you can give any email ID over here, and then phone number. I'm not going to enter any valid phone number, it's something I'm typing over here. Then company name I'm giving as NetBook, then username. So this is the important thing, you need to remember the username. So next time onwards, whenever you log in, you will be logging with this username. Then enter the password, give some password, remember that password, which will be useful while you are going to log in later. So now we need to select the checkbox, I'm not a robot. Then click on agree the MuleSoft terms and conditions. So that are the two things we need to select. Then click on accept and create account. So it doesn't require any email ID and phone number should not be anything valid. You can give anything. Once you click on accept and create account, so it will be directly redirected to Anyppoint platform. It will not ask for anything validation or verify your email or something. So it will directly log into this page. So here, this is the Anyppoint platform. We have a different components over here, which I'm going to explain right now, the overview. The first thing is Design Center. The Design Center is used for designing the applications and developing the applications. And we have Exchange Data Graph Management Center. I'm going to talk about each and everything over here. So we have a Management Center, Exchange, and then Anyppoint Studio also we can download it over here. So let me brief about each and every component over here. The Design Center, the first thing here in the Anyppoint platform, mainly used for designing APIs. That means writing a RAMLs and can be reused those RAMLs by publishing into Exchange and all. And as well as we can develop the flows like MuleSoft flows. Exactly the way we can develop the flows using Anyppoint Studio can be done the Design Center also. Then data graph. The data graph is the new component which is introduced just now. I can say maybe in the just in a May 2001 with that release it is released. The data graph is one of the unified schema model. It is used for querying the data from one or more APIs. So whenever you want to specify fields from particular API, you can get it them. You don't have to call multiple times if you want to get it from multiple APIs. So I will explain about or maybe post a new video on data graph separately in the soon, but this is going to be the interesting thing. Then we have something called management center. Management center is mainly used for managing the APIs. Whatever we develop using the design center, those things we can manage over here in the management center. Under management center, we have a multiple things like a access manager. So the access manager mainly used for managing the users, business groups, and some kind of audit loggings. Those can be managed over here. And then we have a API manager. So API manager is mainly used for managing our APIs, where how many requests should accept per minute or maybe per hour. Those kind of a configuration you can do. You can set some SLAs for your APIs. You can, put some policies who can access your APIs and all can be done using an API manager. Then we have a runtime manager. The runtime manager is mainly used for deploying the applications or managing your applications for, kind of a start stop of your applications, as well as um, you can undeploy your application. Those can be done. Visualizer, next component within the management center. The visualizer is in Mulesoft. We have one of the concept called API led connectivity. There is experience API, process API, system API. How these APIs are connected. If you want to see that visualization, we can use the visualizer over here. An example, I can say, imagine you have a customer API, experience API, customer API, process API, you have MySQL DB system API. So how these APIs are connected, that is what it will show in a visualizer. The next thing is monitoring. So the monitoring is used mainly for monitoring your APIs, like how many requests are coming per minute, what happened with your transaction, and you can create some alerts. You can troubleshoot your APIs. Those things can be done in a monitoring. Then we have something called a secret manager. The secret manager mainly used for managing your certificates, and then uh, those can be managed in the secret manager. Then we have something called exchange. Exchange is something, it is a repository, I can say. So whatever the RAML you create, you can publish it here. You can share those published RAMLs with the customers, and you can reuse those API fragments, that is whatever you create in a design centers. By publishing in Exchange, you can reuse them also. As well as it contains Mulesoft provided connectors, as well as some kind of a templates. Everything will be managed in the Exchange. Then the last thing is Anyppoint Studio over here. This is the download link, it will be provided. So in a previous session, I have shown how we can download Anyppoint Studio. When you click on this link, again it will redirect to this page where you can download Anyppoint Studio and can be configured in your local. Okay, so that are the different components which are available in a Anyppoint platform. This is completely cloud-based and it will be maintained by the Mulesoft. So this is, you are going to get it for 1 month of free trial. So once it is 1 month of free trial is done, it's going to expire your account. So I'm going to talk about in details each and every component in coming sessions. So here you can see your name and all, it will be there. So even you can see in the left hand side those same components names over here. Okay, so when you click on the name over here in the right hand side, you can see the name of that, and you can log out and you can log in also again with the user which we have created during the sign up. So I used NetBook03 as a username and password. So I'm going to enter that and click on enter. You can see that now it is logged in again with that account. Now you can see that whatever the company name you have given, that company name is going to come under here. Okay, so that's it, all about Anyppoint platform. We have seen how we can sign up for this and how we can log in also and different components. I'm going to show more in the coming sessions. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, like this video. Thank you. See you in the next session.